Right, I'm saying for maybe a cover be made by grace. We use a trading upon Yanko Pantum. Obian, yes, the name no. Ashantifest is ongoing. Now, and it was about Yan and Nananom. Yeah, just on my media and the train. Now, it's various senior high schools and that is for one centimeter there. Or we have a display our local foods. Just say, I mean, almost the Abel from Yamakaka. Brandish our local facility and about you must almost a journey banner. Aha, so on my yes, okay. I don't know. Even to Makasaka, even to Makasa. Okay, to the okay, no problem. What the young say? Okay, you know Mukasa, then Mukasa. Okay, no problem. Yeah, but what call there? I force it. The process.
You're from Madam Anima.
Okay, Madam, school baby.
I'm technical.
Okay, and I did again. I'm also here.
I bet your love. I bet your love.
Bet your love. Let me say, Chimichurch.
Yeah, they are banquine and yeah, they are jollof. So normal stew now can go for the year. Yeah, you saw a banquine soup and yeah, they are jollof.
Everywhere in fire, everywhere. Come on, Chimichurch. Yeah, I am sure because I'm not for Sunday. I'm not for sharing local foods. No, I was just saying what I bet jollof. Jollof face, we more the banquine. How different is it from the days stew?
In fact, when you taste it, you know the difference yourself.
Let's taste it. Because I mean, it's all about our rich culture and what have you. I don't think I'm able to say. Nah, okay. So I say I bet. Come on, I say I bet jollof. Now I bet jollof. The chain say jollof. Almost day I bet coin and okay. So you have a try. You have a chin the beer. Ramsey. Senior high technical school. Yes. Ramsey technical.
Yes.
Okay.
We are not TVET.
Okay, right. What is it? Now, I was for all the mommy test. Wow. Come up. Wow. Come on, yeah. So very nice, but jollof, yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, Ramsey are fun. Almost. I mean, I see a friend at Ben jollof. Yeah, I'm the Ben. So it's not stew.
So then it's nice.
It's very nice. How much sound what do you can see also make can you say be am how many once okay so that is abe jollof and Nananom kumaka for very nice very nice now most of my for school where
Adventist girls
and right from Kwabri East I was you know some me fi Kwabri in next school what we from moye
Justice Newman.
And then Adventist girls in Tonsomo then I'm here. What did you prefer?
Yeah, drama. Patroni, cooking sideness, and a choreographic. I can't cow poems.
Oh, okay.
You see, like no program near come up. What's in the saying? So now, Hayaji, a man you must be bright, but it's good. It's more for Yama. But some cultural dance. Yeah, I was not expecting. I did not mean more say crab. But we say, say we Ghana. I say, BBC was Ashanti.
It's a cooking site, my dear Ghana. Adventist girls, what prepare?
Culture, upper prince. And ginger juice.
Okay.
And account.
Wow. I know what did be done. That's the first time I would design.
Upper prince, and then the first time I make it be a shame.
Okay.
Oh, like it's good. But some name be attached to it, like It's not for as a for Legian. But now deep most oh the food is okay.
This is over chance yet upper prince. Yes, sir. Okay. I was also here. Over started the upper prince. I will first not here. No drink say be and when you want to go for. But they're nice. Nice. To see Adena. I mean now they are costly. What have you guys learned from it?
Oh, why am I your culture? I mean, we said, yeah, and if you want your parents are my Indian of here. Like you say, I'm saying, I'm here when you are near a walk Ghana.
Okay,
you're welcome. Bye. So, no, yeah, Adventist girls in high school. You're running for you. Now you're sure. No, okay. Come on, I said you know you're being into no. I said, okay. Yeah, so you can bring your comments with the cultural day also our Kumasi cultural center Ashantifest na local food and Nananom at the form of the various senior high schools. And I want to prepare our another joint. Not for sure. I also prepare. Now be here. I come. So they are live from the Kumasi Center for National Culture. Okay, I think sir. Okay. I think sir. I will prepare you. That's Kumasi Academy, right? Okay. Oh, okay. I just saw tech. I just see high technical school now, and I'm also going to prepare. What do you prepare?
Yeah, prepare and a ton of
Where are they?
a prepare and a practice drink.
Oh, okay. Is it your first time? You are to be staff.
Yes. But for me, India, I prepare Sunday. I have you smoother, and I have to see excited. But for the practice drink, today was my first time I'm doing movie.
Tasty. I know how do you feel?
It's so good. And I know that practice drink. What I learned was like for those who are having pressure, yeah, it's very easy for you. It's good for you to take it. For those having pressure and high blood pressure.
You see, also my brother, you see, modern Ghana, it's fried rice, and then I mean, Indomina. So now for young people, I'm sure now catch up about local.
Catch up money say fried rice na yedi. And one of my young stomach was and in your rebel. A plate to a say no about benya, it na or bread. Yes, how spices na a woman na yedi. And the menu. The make us some say Kabaya for me and sound quiet. Young Cody and then only a come as sing domain.
Thank you so much. Okay, but so that is I just saw technical school. Okay, right. Next table. Also, this is a different school over here. Toss. Okay, that's Twansi. Okay. So that's Twansi high school. Yeah, sure. Twansi for our. Let's do Twansi. So, Twansi Senior High School. What called you? Okay. Like I said,
That's a primary Clara.
Okay. Twansi, I didn't prepare.
That's why you
Right?
Another Dakwa.
And the other. The president. Wow. Okay. So
Our drink is Kararo pie.
Okay. It's just one at a time. Wait a minute, right? How do you prepare this one?
Okay, first of all, we build our cocoyam. It is a one-pot dish by yes, it's name and seeds. And then the fresh tomatoes, pepper, onion, yes, added salmon. After some time, we are chilling with them on the goods. Ready to serve. I can give you a smooth
it's been kept. I can't mind your combo. We did you gonna count no who right? Okay. So let's taste it. Wow. Okay, your password. I was getting serious. it serious. Ashantifest, the whole world. So Yamra with friend. Talking about this. Very
Next year, let's say a running festival, you're ready about the day. Great peppercorn and ginger, dried ginger. We also added kilo water to make it a little spicy. And added the sugar too. And after that, we added groundnut paste and make it and then mold it.
wow. To ask for your idea, because what my idea. So, what have you guys? And then I'm also free. Yeah, my
For me, I didn't know how to prepare. I just learned it from my fellow colleagues. Actually, I made the drink and then the aqua. But for the new, I didn't know anything about it, so I just learned from my fellow colleagues.
So going forward, you eat local food, right? You start eating local food going forward, right?
Yeah. Now continental dishes aren't ours anymore.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Kumasi Senior High School. Toss, right? Okay. What's your friends at Dakwa?
All Catering.
I'm commenting there. Are they commenting? You're live on YouTube anyway.
Oh, really?
You're live on YouTube by Grace TV. It's Ghana for show. Yeah, I'll be there. Yes, your friend of Dakwa. When I will see him. And Dakwa, the power. Okay.
Oh, our drink is now fetches.
Okay. Well, I'll do. Tell me something about drink.
The drink we blended our carrots. First of all, we blended our carrots and then squeezed our orange. After that, we also squeezed the pineapple and then mixed it with our syrup and then
Wow.
because it's really tasty. A sweet
My
snack.
cameraman guy is enjoying it.
So that fish, the dark one.
Are you okay? Are you sure? We can get you more. Are you okay? All right. And transfer for Ayade. Transfer for Ayade. Do you want to say something? Be able to cancel it. Oh, be able to.
Yeah. I said, I catch our one and say, and yes, all my own points are born. And yes, all by yes, look up with new thing and they are very few. The Biana, the best idea with you. So, they bring some points for your born by your boy. Very young boy. Some more money and your home. No more bringing new things into their homes.
I'm a teacher for no so I'm on underestimate home accounts to them too. I will tell them to stop, put a toast to and encourage us because every meal mistake is a meal style. They have to give home econ students a platform for us to express our gratitude toward our studies. So I'll put a stop to that.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. So this is Kumasi Senior High School. You call the next place. Okay. Come on, my because again, I was no. I was and I just for no. I'm on up the home. We are saying friend Dakwa. I was young, and it's for Dakwa. Dakwa, you come and say. So the woman cut here now. Oh, I mean at the end to us. Lena Kumasi, I'm an origin of Twansi. Oh, sir. And at the South School of Twansi. And the Twansi for more happy. Okay. So once you come in fact, you're doing a great job. Keep it up. God bless you, pa. Amen, my dear. Now you room there for the next joint. Okay. So yeah. Okay. How do you think say for Ankasa? Yes, sir. Let's say. Okay. So my. It's Marcus. Okay. So let's ask me. Yeah, auntie, I'm going to answer. No, I'm not going there.
Ashanti women named them.
Then I'm here and Kasa Kika which
Ya up to full. Ya kabanku. Ya mutu. There was sobolo. There was chips. There was kosia. There was spring roll. And so I want. Mankuni abetie nyina cheche.
Wow. I don't know. Nyanya I'm here na Yamia before Dian.
Before Dian pa Ashanti Academy pa.
Abetien is where.
Abetien is one.
Abetien is where. Come on.
And of course, it's here. Because the one here when it's in Niani war.
Yeah, machines. It will be a fear be a Wonyama, say, Diana.
Oh, maybe our Hano. Because I hired the pay and it's in a Hano. The next year, what's the fear? Why, my dear? That is a while, minimum, and it will be a whoopee.
I don't say, if you don't hear look at things, put your money look at it.
You was so below, I say. So, Papa, any that's a Papa Nibia, be woman.
Papa.
Ah, yeah, the other way is Simode. Wow. Simode, yeah, my few, who live at you, my mamma, your few, and the Pinay, they are bad. Oh, Pia, Mamakaya, and say, but she was with us.
Ashanti women in film industry. I local food. For abetie, ebutuo, sobolo no say the be ya mama the be ya mama everything no timi aboju makawa eti I just have anyone working watching yeah okay eti yembra yeah so the kana ha na omofo no local ones we nye machine sembia na asiawa ko fa aha ya uri nya baka eso woni ajefa wo ko ye the nyame ase Ashantifest ye na wo carry am fa ka which am
oh yeah catch be answer be obia time nkoi omumra bibia bi wa ha ya sijama wa ha fufuo wa ha abetia wa ha amutia wa ha so bibia mebe ni je de ebi wa ha ebi amra time nkoi ya nkoi so ejina ma adia so we it's a obia
fufu mi ya me obia ma no me wo kakra ma na yes mama wo kakra bi ma na sana me wo obia che ma ba wo so for it's somebody oh me that say me feel pa okay oh okay oh me that say
they say akoso sa wati mami akoso sa wa papa bi enti me ya da papa I don't know cry yanisha obawa yakumata na chi the server they say e ba de ba mankuni aba ma no yemina ya de akumata ma me akoso sa wati yanisha obawa
okay so we won't focus clear bi na yanko okay me mo boss o okay so they say ya ama okay what's ya okay we that's it right I'm saying it's a cool for kakra yam kran man ya kebia ya fa and so Kumasi right here from the center for national culture Kumasi about ya so sijama na all people say about the camera on photo some I want the camera yeah I'm saying it's the people who ti ya fine na ya ni omo kasa na share the house on me ya mai Ashantifest 2000 Ashantifest 2000 and Ashantifest 2026 na also we do and popcorn na omo prepare owa pa popcorn yes na first Becky most more him for other
vendors the food fair
na you na most be here the one
beton we bia any be boy e de ani bonya beta o
I just said the actors in our home I mean the actual yeah what are you telling about for what bontin so one na
like fashion no my and as much as the festive no yeah. I think say. But from me,
Come on. What's up?
Cheryl, one is salmon. If I don't have a salmon, right?
Oh yeah, fun small man.
But from me, when you say Ashantifest, even I want my youth to say so be engaged in your mind. I think say maybe at least I when your baby so nowadays, I think it's good.
Okay, that's right. Okay. So let's move on. The next party. So here. Okay. What's it? School girl. Okay. Also for school.
Adventist girls.
Also right. Okay. It's my preparing you and come on. Well, I didn't catch Oma went to Yama. I didn't catch Oma went to Yama. Those who believe here to be part of the show, what I tell you.
Next year, India school years.
That's it, right? That's it. And it's also, and I'm off fool, and I'm off okay. Yaba, Yama Kosikama, Ashantifest 2026. Ashantifest 2026. Now, when we are Ashanti Mampon, Mamtech, right? Mampon, technical, yes, it's the 24 Nananom who send you about Mwase, 2 for Asane or Ase, Sanso, Adam, who the Ashanti Minister, Dr. Frank Amakone, or also Ewa Mediano Asibi, and also Kumasi Kropono, a bank attorney, the KMA mayor. In the person of Honorable Richard for Ajman Bodi Kenzuba, and so and then the MC for Asopan, Honorable Amo Kamel, also Ewahabi, and then playing for Dwaka, Ominadio Money Munya Medinachi, Ashantifest 2026 happening live at the Center for National Water, Ashanti region Kumasi, and the Adimwa Manibuna. And so Mama Sino. Yes, so students from all walks of life in the Ashanti region here to join us. Okay, unfortunately, so the best in Yamaka currently, ma'am, Benai and Yamo year. Yes, sir. The schools are now in our own people. They are called. They are some donors. Now, let's be just right on now. There is a so it's all about our culture and what we have to show as people from the Ashanti region and Ashanti man at large. I create any Kabumu and I'm 24 and the Jumadi and the young man on I am now, more function and so if I'm true, I'm sure I'll be so let's approach them. Now, they're not super prepared. Our Ashanti cultural day as your grants about okay. I'm saying school for them, Kasa. Right. To one in the Kasa, can we speak with you? A bit more Kasa. Oh, yeah. I know they are cultural day tree as Ashanti Kasa and so on. Now, I first say, what are you?
What's your family? Benedicta. Down.
Benedicta down. Okay, where your school where?
So Ghana STEM Technical.
Ghana STEM Technical. I will find for.
Syria.
Syria. That must say, okay. The Ghana STEM girls and the man by yes, right. It's the Ghana STEM Technical School. So welcome. My idea. Now, away for it continue on our more what do still not? I was there's not at the point. I'm for Baby Diamana, yes, sir. Wow, this is that kind of beast, and I didn't be on myself.
But when it is Samia drink.
Away for Samia drinking it to say, how is it like? Yes, quite bad. I'm for somewhere. You won't come here.
They say, what is Samia fruit? And a pineapple, ginger, and a pepper, and
Okay, by Grace TV. Ghana for sure. Yeah.
Not what blend, not one. What do you go a Samia now?
Drinks, yes, sir. How does it taste? It's which was the one I'm waiting to watch the casa.
Yes, I
I put it home and I'm wow. It's Samia drink you watch it to me. On no more, what are some of the importance here for so I mean, you don't be a menu film. What else? Okay.
Like it sounds like I
am a body no. At the end, I am a body now because everyone say what I want. Venice. At the end, I am a body now because
it boosts the immune system.
okay, that's my body now. What near Kutia or one yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Okay. How you doing?
It's me. I will Kuma.
Oh, rock man.
Any idea?
Oh, okay. Let's say and go far. Kuma, ya on ya baby, bro. Yes, sir. Oh, okay. Matia. So also what you know? Na that much. So obi oba bia no be no be there. So what you need answer? I was here calling me no be on na me dey chop say there but ya can here be still right. But still the check every show. Man check can show. Yeah. Yes. Ogo mo share on YouTube. Yes. Still you looking very attractive. I mean it's so say unya bi na odi abe come on mo share no say anyesa kasa o my come up I'm sure I'm whetting your appetite baby. I will show me I'm whetting your appetite. Okay, Ghana STEM Senior High School. Okay, Ghana STEM Technical School. So we are Kumasi. I'm going to dress in the fly. Come up. Wow. We are more from my power. Yes,
sir. My age, my day, my course. Come on.
Yes, yeah, that must be wow. Okay. So, listen, good job, coming. I'm listening, but that's Ghana STEM Technical School. Almost say, why you fear journey part to say, and yes, it's every time when I want to also. Why? Okay, you're welcome. So, young friend, okay. So, we know Jama is on feet right now. You're wrong, Felicia. Wow. Actually, whatever talk again,
Fresh yogurt, Zion yogurt, Anna pastries.
Business.
So far, so good. And so, in Kenya, so maybe I can pay better sales. I've made better sales, but it's so neat. But then it's not bad. It's done tremendously well. It's well done and well packed.
Kumasi Wesley Girls Senior High School. You are for right. That's a movie now. We are about. I was about to share.
Like my expectation with good well. It was amazing.
You know this year rising to
they're ready to dance. So
Kumasi Wesley Girls Senior High School, Rubber Form, and I also exhibited more culture. I exhibited what you have to this year. Okay, yeah, come on, man. What call you? I'm not going. I was waiting. I'm waiting for. That's all the generals. Okay, I hope. That's why I'm going to go. No kind of piano. I will go. That's why you were okay. Because I'm going to small.
Yes, I'm a savage. I'm teaching you by near hands down. The generals are Mora. The generals Mora everywhere.
Okay. Wow. As on this point, move a Jama. They are doing so many news.
But I can't even you know dress.
Oh, okay. I'm make up a capella.
And you the more food when you're ready. And a shake. And your casa. When you're ready, the shad.
Jamal Group of the Ghana Police. Yeah, we are representing Ashanti in Ghana Police. Competition, what's what? Yeah, yes. I'm a test for one. I'm fine. So why do you? So I say I can have it. There was a show I said, Jamal go to the person. What's that show? I say in every competition or Saturday will be to be an 80 time. I come my budget. I come over to the budget. Next time, you hope say young fashion got the best costume here. You know what? What's the mood? The Jamal Group of Ghana Police of Ashanti. Yes, represent Ashanti. Okay. Yeah, Ghana Police Service. Jamal Group. Wow. Yes, I'm good to have what's square? Okay. What about Kasamamo? Who's asking for you? First big girls, guys, Chiapate and Papa. What's up there? Number 48. Okay, they are contracted to Culinary, right? First big girls, seniors, Chiapate. Yes. And then number prepared. What is it?
Bad boy, the young with garden with sun and apathy.
Yeah.
Apathy.
And then
Mori.
Already get cocoa. The more you say, and then cocoa, you only touch your corner.
And I prefer your Fredian.
I'm still ready. What are you on the church?
Yes, you know, when and a growth and a cheer and then you fry on I want and then you fry.
What and the plus. You know the party. I say I'm giving you what's happening. I know
Okay, reflect socialization, reflect how to yes.
That's it. So, first big girls, senior high school, a consular, right? Also, what let's mention the Samia drink.
Yes.
And then the mother Abinti. I was on the crew. It's like family down.
Oh, and also the
the park. Alright, so that is Presby Girls Senior High School Chapati. Yeah. Okay, don't go far. Let me see. Okay. Alright. What do you want? Right, let's see. What do you want to have? Don't follow our motor tone. Our name. Let's move on. Yeah, approach it. 2026 and Apomboko.
Nyame adumo na onso.
Esime ho ye pa na mpacho e first.
Ami. Yeah, Ami.
Okay. You are live on YouTube by Grace TV. Now Ashantifest but you are the Ashanti catch up. I also we are what's not damn what the
Oh, Ami say catering services. Yeah, all foods, both traditional and continental, Ghanaian foods, everything. But yeah, so I gankenki with assorted proteins, meat, chicken, octopus, shrimps, fish, everything. They will show you there were fried fish, everything we have it.
Okay. So yes, that's it from this point. Chaka chairman for. Yeah. I want Gakenki.
Yes, on contact you. My number is 0247 104411. What you say? I open we off Sokoban Trade Road.
That's it. Also, Eddie offer Amasai. It's all about Ashantifest 2026. Look around the one Marcia. Let's watch that here. Apomoko. Nyamiasi. Watch now doing this.
LSB's kitchen.
LSB kitchen. Namu baha. I didn't know prepare.
Oh yeah, the fried rice need jollof ne buy. And so for Nyamiadom ne Dr. Daromani Ashantifest square the other nasa.
Wow. What is now with the buy us? Wow.
That's right. The Benyakana, the Bia, Moya Ashantifest.
The Bianca,
the Bianca Ashantifest. Because I didn't put so in your maybe brave. And sometimes it will be a but over Ashantifest now. Last year, they made me buy social media and go for the brave major orders in this annual money. Very good. And so ministers and for Nana than as I say, ministers so appoint out to me yes annual way. I very nice, but Ashantifest need there. I very good. Me mesra say for you stay. Yes, you are the Ashantifest. It's yes, you get involved. Na effect because I didn't Ashanti mind there. We're in politics. Ashanti mind there.
And yeah, you want chance for number 2 guys never.
Actual me wa hojo me ye bibia me ye local bar me ye wedding for aduane me ye yie ye tu kwan ye co-location 94492 Elizabeth's Kitchen anytime you need a move to me afraid yeah available get us.
Thank you very much. God bless you. You are nice people. For the last 30 minutes, the stage is yours. Thank you. Beginners, get ready. Thank you.
General support. General support.
The stage is yours.
Asante Yes,
Business and group say we make it to education. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
We have with the Ashantifest and Nananom kakra so the Ashantifest ready so ɛwɔ Asante no yɛde ɛmu amadeɛ ba bɛsoma ma Asante sɛdeɛ yi na yɛhu no adesuafoɔ yɛwɔ senior high school central school no deɛ ɔsɛ ɔmo yɛ bi ɔmo aba abɛyɛ ɛde akyerɛ amansan ɛna no kɔda nkyɛn a afei ɔmo a ɔmo aka akyire ɛkyerɛ tertiary institution so mmeranteɛ ne mmabaawa ɛgu so si gyama nti ne nyinaa ɛkyerɛ ɔdɔ ɛna afei ɛka Asante mantam mu nipa nyinaa bom na asan so akyerɛ Asante mantam mu ɛne Asante man amammerɛ ne amane nyinaa nso ɛde akyerɛ amansan na wɔde ɛmɛsrɛ yɛde apem mu asan sɛ ɛbere ni afa na nyame adom abɛpɛ mu yɛbɛkɔ so bia yɛde abɔso meda asɛm gye brɛ na mohwɛ mede de Culinary kɔsɔre hwɛ by Grace TV san sɛ wɔnipa bebree de mu a bɛpɛ mu yɛbɛhyia nyame nka obiara ho maka wo bye bye